Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sami.
This is Mimi.
And today, Xiaomi just released this newest, cheapest, and possibly the best selfie camera phone, the Redmi S2. It comes with a 60 megapixel front-facing camera featuring AI and a dual 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel camera setup. To be honest, I'm not surprised by its design. You know, it's just another ordinary look phone like Redmi Note 5 or Mi 6X. And it's not even Type-C since, you know, have to cut the cost. I can understand that. So how is it exactly? I will do a detailed video with my wife the day after tomorrow, and also compare with Mi 6X. Or what else you want to know from myself, just leave a comment below and I will do it. Here in the next step of the video, I just summed up all the highlights of the launch event. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my Sami Review Facebook page. I will always be the first one to release all of this Xiaomi related tech information. I'm the first one. So stay tuned. Bye bye.